Tony here with a video unboxing of the Honor 5X, which I just received via UPS. I ordered this on Amazon and I will have the link in the description. This is a pretty hot device. It's actually 200 bucks and it has a lot of features for that price point. It actually has a fingerprint scanner, a 1080p screen, a 13 megapixel rear facing camera, and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. It's running a Snapdragon 615. And let's get right into the unboxing. It's a pretty awesome device. So let's go. So in the box, you're gonna see I already cut the tabs, but you're gonna see the device itself. We'll go ahead and move that over to the side and we'll check out what else is in the box. Here we get some manuals. We got the SIM ejector tool, and then we get the usual books, the Honor quick start guide. We have a thank you from Honor, so that's pretty nice. It says the Brave. Then we have a warranty card, so that's awesome too. Put that all over to the side. Then in the box itself, we just have a power brick. There is no fast charging, unfortunately. So they recommend that you use, if you have a 2 amp charger, they recommend that, because I believe this one's just a 1 amp 5 volt. And then we have USB charging cable to micro USB, and that's about it. That's about everything that's in the box. So we'll go ahead and move that over to the side and we'll check out the device itself. It comes in this plastic. They said it does come in with a screen protector already on, so you can see that that's pretty nice that they do include that. So here we have power button, volume rockers. On the bottom we have a microphone, USB charging, micro USB, and speaker. And then on this side there's the SIM ejector. There's 2 SIM card slots. There's the bottom one should be the nano SIM with the SD, micro SD, and then the top one should be just a micro SIM. So it's nano SIM on the bottom with the SD card and micro SIM at the top. Then at the top we have a microphone, a microphone, and then we have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So that's the device itself. It's pretty nice, great build. In the back we have 13 megapixel camera, flash, and the fingerprint scanner, which is the main selling point of this device, I think. Also the build, it's actually aluminum, and on the bottom we have this bottom plastic, and at the top we have this plastic. So let's go ahead and peel this off. So yeah, there it is. Wow, it feels real nice and premium. I cannot complain about that. That's real nice. So there you guys have it. This is the video unboxing of the Honor 5X. Peace.